guys, Dorothy here today, and we're here today for our 200 subscriber giveaway, and we were going to do our random comment picker. Again, the prizes will be for 2 people, and it will be 2 of the digital kits out of our Etsy shop. Below in the description box you will find an email. Please email the 2 choices that you decide if you're the winner to me, and I will, with your email that you want it sent to, and I will be sure to send it out as soon as possible. So here we go. Again, I've entered the URL, so I'm going to get the YouTube comments. 43 unique comments. I'm going to start our raffle and pick our random winner. And the winner is Pam Van E. So Pam Van E, make sure that you get a hold of us and let us know what 2 kits that you would like. It says, congratulations, happy for you. Again, we're so thankful for each of you guys' support, through every step since we began. And, we look forward to, the next 200 with you. So we're going to pick another winner now. And winner number 2 is Dormar Creations by Dolphin DC. So Dormar Creations by Dolphin DC. Make sure you again email me. The link will be in the description box. Again, you guys, thank you. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing. We are at like around 260, so when we get to 3 we'll do another giveaway. So if you have friends that aren't in the that haven't subscribed or whatever, be sure to share. Again, we thank you for your support, and we look forward to many, many more days and videos with you guys to come. So thanks, and have a great day. Bye.